Okay, let's start off. Where did I leave off? Okay. So these three, I'm on the second level, and looks like let's put in the laboratories here on the south side. And so now what I need to do is connect my piping to this group of laboratories. What have I got? Okay, I think I'm gonna go to the first level. Let's see what's going on first level. Okay, so I have my waste and vent and my water on the north side, south side. So I think that I'm gonna connect my water to my three laboratories. Okay, so let's start off doing that. Okay, okay. So there's first level overall. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Okay, I think that's better. So I'm gonna tap into this cold. This is a cold water, and I'm going to here. So I'm gonna create a similar, right? And tap here, because I'm gonna go straight across so I can feed this group of fixtures in this plumbing chase. Okay, I'm just gonna bring this down just a little bit. Okay, and since I'm inside, I think that I can either go inside. I'm gonna keep it outside in this corridor area. Okay, let's use this pipe. Okay, and okay, what is that? 3 laboratories. So I think I'm going to change this to a 3/4 inch pipe. And okay, so we look at that information. So we're going to go PVC. Okay. Okay. So we're in the ceiling space. Let's bring this across. Okay. Let's go down, and I don't know. I mean, there's so many ways of doing this. I'm gonna bring this here and go all the way across and feed into my laboratories. Okay, so I have my cold water 3/4 inch in the ceiling at 10'6". I'm going to come off of each one of these laboratories and connect into my main cold water supply. Okay, and the cold water is always on the right side, so it's going to be here, here. That's my cold water. Draw my pipe, should be 1/2 inch. Okay, no slope, cold water. So I'm just gonna bring it about right, maybe about right there. Okay, now I'm gonna change the elevation. Let me change the look of this. Okay, so we can see what's going on. Okay, and we go here and come up in the wall space at 10'6". So we change the elevation, 10'6", and we go here. We just come out. We don't apply, because if I do apply, it's not gonna. It's gonna go up. I don't want it to go up at this point. I want it to come up and over. So instead of me hitting apply, I'm going to come straight out so that the elbow is going to be in this area, because I want to connect here, correct? Here, okay? So the elbow is here. Let's see, I'm going to go to a 3D view so you guys can see that. Okay, so coming off the cold water, it will automatically go up. Okay, it's just gonna go up. Let's undo that so you can get a good look. Right, so if I do here and do 10.6 and apply space 6, right, and do apply, it's gonna go up, right? It's just gonna go up 10.6. Then I'm gonna have to go back maybe to here, get the correct position, go back to the first level, go back to my node, and then go over. Okay, so there's a big difference. You know, there's not so many steps you have to take, right? So the best procedure would be to, I'm going to erase all of this, delete, and we are green, right click, drag the pipe, and then just come out just a little bit, right? And now I could change it to 3/4 inch, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it there. Change here, 10.6. Don't use apply because it's going to go up or down. If it was a negative, it would go down, right? So you extend so that your elbow can be created, right? And then go over. Okay. What's that, 3/4 inch? Okay. So it's just gonna be a fitting 3/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. Here, right? So that's gonna be my fitting. That's my 3/4 inch, and the same thing we're gonna do for the next lab. Nothing's changed. It's just a different laboratory. Everything is the same. We're gonna come out here. Make sure we don't hit any extraneous information. That's an extraneous information, right? And where else? Where's another one? There's only one, which is the middle point of that, my sanitary, right? So just to come up, just out and just a little bit, and then come up at 10. Again, 6. Go over and connect. Okay, so we got that connection, and we are checking plumbing fixtures, the fixture units, right? Okay, 75. Okay, and another in the last one. Do the same thing. Okay, we just make sure we come out just a little bit, and we change our elevation to 10.6 and connect. Okay, and we do the same with the hot water. Let me look at my notes here and see if everything's good. Okay, hot water. Create similar. At 10.8. Let's go here. That's 1 1/4. That's 1 1/4. Wow, looks small. Okay, and I'm gonna change that to a 3/4 inch. Let's go back, and this pipe is 3/4 inch. Okay, do the same thing, but it's gonna be a little faster this time. So this can be anywhere, inside, outside, doesn't matter. It depends on, you know, how you want to have it laid out, designed. Pick a word. So here we've got our hot water, PVC hot water. Okay, 1/2 inch. Come out, and we change this to 10/8, right? Okay, same thing for this. Draw our pipe. Okay, so now we know that that's another extraneous information I don't want any. Okay, do another 10/8. Come out there, here, here, here. Okay, 10/8 here. Okay, and okay, so now we make our connections. Let's go here. Just a little. Okay, and to get this, I'm gonna align this information, right? So we align one pipe to the other and fill it. I can fill it because they are in parallel, or if they're at 90 degrees. Now we can extend the two pipes, hot water. Last but not least, we check our fixture units, make sure that everything is good. Fixture units, fixture units, fixture units. Okay. Now, so what's next? I think I'm gonna put a hot water return, which is this yellow line or a pipe. Okay. Let's see. I'm just gonna extend it out. Okay. And it is at an elevation higher. Let's see, let's just keep it tight, right? I'm gonna come here and do create similar. Let's just come off here, here, and go down, 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 down. Okay, I'm gonna go here and there. And our hot water return is coming off the back of our fixture. 1/2 inch. Here. 10. Okay, we line that up. Go here. Okay, and again, let's fill it. Okay, so we make our transition with these two, with that fitting, and we do the same for the last two laboratories. Let's come out just a little bit, change this elevation to 10. Okay, make that connection. Same thing. Okay, again. Come out just enough. Okay, make the elevation change. 10 again, and we make our connection. And no fixture units are on the hot water return, but we have to have that in order for the fixtures to get hot water without waiting 30 seconds, right? Okay, I think that's gonna be it for the day. Okay, so we got that. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Okay. Let's go to our plot file. First level. Water. Okay, let's look at the water. Okay, and so we can make adjustments here, you know, so it looks good. Change the line types, all of that kind of stuff. But that's the plot file. Looks good. So let's go back to first level overall. Okay. Now, okay. So, well, I think that that's going to be it for the day. And I hope that helped. And I'll talk to you guys later.